Welcome back to our course. So the topic of today's video is HTML basic tags list and a small assignment on the list. So let's get started. In the previous video, as I have shown you that we have many type of the tags. We have heading tag, paragraph tag, horizontal tag or break tag. So let's get back to that coding. First of all, I will show you one image in which we can see that how many types of the tag we have. Let me open that. See, let me zoom it little bit because it's very small. Okay, so you can see that it is little bit blur, but you can understand that easily. So we have in the previous video, if you remember that we have written h1 and heading 1, so it will display as a result like this. Okay, so basically we have 6 types of heading, that is h1 to h6. These are already predefined numbers, so we cannot write like h7 or h8. It is totally at 1 to 6. Okay, so h1 to h6, as you can see that when we write heading 1, it is a biggest text. When we go to write heading 2, it decreases, and so on. The size of this heading decreases. Okay, so let's implement in our code. I will open that my atom. I have already told you how you can use atom, so just have a clear view. I have already written some code. Why so? Because it will help us to easily explain the code. Okay, so this is the previous code only. The changes I have done is I have written my heading first name last name as h1, h2 and h3, and I will also give this a title. Let me write my second page. Okay, let me save that, and now I will open it. Let me go to the my files option, and we have let me open it with Google Chrome. Okay, see my heading first name and last name, as you can see that. Let me do this so that you can have a clear understanding what we are doing. Okay, so it's great. See, we have h1 my heading, and it is a little bit bigger text, and when we write first name it is a little bit smaller text, and when we write h3 it is a little bit smaller text. I will not write till h6. This you can practice at your home. Okay, so the next topic is in this, how can we give the comments. Okay, so as we know that as you have read the C or any other programming language, in that also we used to give the comments. So in this the comments are given like this. Let me give one comment. Let's comment this text above. Okay, so I will write exclamatory mark. Okay, and I will close this with this. Okay, see, I have done this also in the comments. What does the comment mean? That whatever you will write in comment will not be visible to your web browser. So let me again refresh that page, and you will see that, oh, I have not saved that, I guess. Yes, please remember to save that page. Okay, now I will refresh that. See, nothing is visible. Okay, so now I will uncomment this. Okay, let's uncomment this one. See, now I have written, this is my first code that I am practicing. Let make it in the comment section only. Okay, see, now h1 is, this is heading. Now the next tag that we are talking about is hr. What does this hr means? Hr means horizontal line. Okay, see, I will refresh this page. Oh, I again forget to save it. Let me save that page. Now I will refresh this. See, you will see the horizontal lines. This hr means the horizontal lines. Okay, you don't have to close this tag. Some tags don't need the closing. Okay, so this is the tag that you don't have to close, just you have to write it hr. Hr means horizontal. Okay, so it will display a horizontal line on the browser. Okay, now second thing is P. What does this P mean? P means paragraph. Okay, so whenever you have to write any paragraph, you have to just write that P and close the paragraph. Okay, so if you think that if we can write like this, in my second line I will write hi. In third line I will write hello. What people you think what will be the output of this code? No, it will not be the three lines. It will be displayed in a single line only. See, this is my first paragraph. Hi, hello. So how many space do you give here does not matter. If you want any space in the line, right? For example, if we write poem, we want that it should be in different line. So what should you do? Just write BR. What does that BR means? BR means break line. Okay. Again write BR. It will break your lines. Okay. So just click on that and it will be saved. Let me save that. Okay. Now refresh it. See, this is my first paragraph. Hi, hello. Okay. So this is still what is BR means. Now let me tell you, next topic is what do you mean by list? As we have seen that sometimes we have to write nested list means you have to give the heading of the list. Inside it you have to give an another list and another list. Let me show you one image regarding that. See, let me zoom it little bit. Okay, see, this have item first. Inside it you have sub item. Inside it you have sub item, and inside of sub item 2 you have sub item 1 and sub item 2. Again you have item 2, sub item 1, sub item 2. See, this first, second, third number, these are basically order list. When you again write it, you will get number 4th. Okay, and these circles are known as disk. Okay, these are unordered list. Again this is order list and these are again unordered list. Okay, so let's get started with this list topic. Let me close that. I have write down that code. Let me comment above all the code so that we can have a clear view. What does this mean? See, all get commented. Let me start with my list. Okay, where I have closed that, I have closed here. Let me remove all that. Okay, see, first of all I have written heading for my first unordered list. So this is a normal heading that we have studied above. What does that this UL means? This UL means unordered list. And when you have to write UL, let me write it again. UL, you have to just click it. See, it will has a opening tag and a closing tag. Okay, so in UL, whenever we have to write means whenever we have to add the object inside it, what we have to do, we have to give the list. Okay, suppose we have to go to the shopping, so we have the shopping list with us. Inside it we write the items that we have to buy from the market. Okay, so here also we will write the list topic of our list. Here we have subject 1, subject 2 and subject 3. Okay, and this is unordered list. Unordered list means this will be randomly arranged. Randomly arranged means it will be not numbered. Okay, and below that I have written OL. OL means ordered list. Ordered list we will write like this. OL, LI means list. Okay, and again we will close this OL. Okay, so whenever you will write OL, OL will describe order list. It will be numbered. Let me save that and show you how it will work. See, first was my order list, right? My first unordered list. So you can see that we have my first unordered list and they are just in the bullets, right? And in the second I have written my order list and it is 1, 2, 3. Now you people might be wondering that if you want to write ABC in this 1 2 3, yes, you can do that. And if you want that it should not be bullets, it should be squares, or it should be a disk, you can also do that. Okay, I will tell you how you can do this. Okay, now as I have written, we have in unordered list 4 types: disk, circle, square, and none. Disk means it will be a bullet type. Circle, you know, circle, square, and none will be, nothing will be displayed, only the list, only this heading will be displayed, like subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. How you can do that? As we have not studied till now about the style, we can do this with styles. I will tell you about the style in the next video, and with that we can do this. See, here we will write like this: style, list, type, square. I will explain this in the later videos how you can do that. For this video you can understand that when we will write like this, the bullets will be changed to square. Let me save that, and you will see in the browser that we have squares here: subject 1, subject 2, and subject 3. Okay, so I guess till now you people have understood how can we do this. Okay, another one, we have disk. Let's try this also. Let me save that and open that in the browser. See, I have written disk, it is changed to disk. Okay, so now if you want to change in the order list 1 2 3, how can you do this? I guess you people should search about this, how can we do this. And let me give you one assignment regarding this list topic only. As I have shown you the image, first image, I guess I have closed it. I will open it again in my files option. See, this was the image. Let me open that. This will be your assignment. You have to do this, means you have to write the order list, again order list, again order list, and in order list you have to sublist it with sub item 1, sub item 2, and again sublisted. This is called nesting list. Okay, we will discuss the solution in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also you can follow us on all our pages, and the link to all the pages are given in the description below. Thank you.